Hi everyone, my name is Jasmine,
I'm Dana.
and today we're going to be showing you how to make a DIY charcoal foot soap.
Oh, that sounds super relaxing.
Yes, it is going to be amazing. Okay, so what you'll need is Epsom salt, activated charcoal, and an essential oil of your choice. Today we're going to be using tea tree. So first you're going to take 1 cup of Epsom salt. And Epsom salt is really good for your skin. It helps exfoliate as well as it softens your skin, and it's very relaxing and soothing for you, especially when you're in the shower. But in this situation, it's gonna be great for your little toesies. Next, you're gonna take 2 tablespoons of activated charcoal and go ahead and pour that in here. Ooh, I love the contrast.
It's really cool.
Colors. So activated charcoal is it absorbs all the bacteria and
Draws out the impurities
of your skin. So I love activated charcoal because it has so many different benefits.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like some people have it in the pill form to take internally, or you can use it for your skin because it does the same great things inside and outside of your body.
Yeah. I even have a charcoal toothpaste.
Ooh, yeah, to whiten.
Yeah.
It'll help whiten your teeth.
It works well.
You just have to scrub it extra hard, huh?
Yeah.
So it's just like, oh, you have some black stuff in your teeth? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and mix it together. It looks a little gray.
It looks pretty, though.
I
love the color.
look. So then you're going to add 5 to 10 drops of tea tree. So we're using tea tree today because of its antifungal and antibacterial properties. So if you have something like athlete's foot, you know,
or like some sort of toe issue,
or
fungus,
any type of toe issue or fungus, tea tree would be great for that. But you can always use essential oils like lavender if you want it to be relaxing, or
even one of our blends, like our spa blend, if you're looking to like relax for the day, or maybe something citrusy like relax.
I love it. So this is
cool.
So cool. I actually enjoy the smell of tea tree at this point because I feel like I use it for so much. It's kind of like a beauty hack.
Yeah,
for
sure.
Yeah. So you're gonna make sure you mix it all together. Make sure you mix it well because obviously since the essential oil is wet, it's going to clump up with the salt. So make sure you break it up and mix it so it's spread throughout your soak. And then there you have it. And what you can do is just package it into like a jar or like an airtight container so that you can use it for later, or go ahead and throw it into your, if you have a foot bath, like those machines, go ahead and throw it into your machine and let it go.
And then you can add extra Epsom salt too, and let it settle to the bottom, and then you can rub your feet against it for like extra exfoliation for dry skin on the bottom of your feet.
Yeah, that's actually a great idea.
Yeah.
Especially during summer, you want to make sure that your feet look great.
For sure.
Yes.
Sandal weather.
Mm-hmm. Well, we hope that you guys enjoy this recipe and try it yourself so you have those nicely soft, smooth feet.
Silky looking feet.
Yeah, all summer long. And as always, we appreciate you guys for watching, and we hope to see you guys next time.
Bye.